So before we can do anything with the actual coding in this program, we really want to make sure we have a good background that makes sense and that our pencil can use to make the correct angles and everything looks nice. So in order to do that, we want this basic unit circle background, which you saw in the introductory video, where we have an XY axis coordinate system, and we have this unit circle in black that's overlaid on top of that, and that way we can have that defined, so then when our pencil can go to the origin and it can rotate however many degrees it has to, it'll all look nice and be able to make the triangle. So when you're in your backdrops, you start out with a normal blank backdrop. We want to go ahead and create the XY axis. So go to your backdrop library and double click the last one, which is the XY grid, and we see we have our XY axis. And then it's pretty easy to go ahead and get a circle. So over here, this one in the middle is our circle tool, and I had mine in black, was probably the best. And then if you hold the shift key, that'll make it so that it's a circle, not some other ellipse. And you want to extend it, and it takes a little bit. I did pretty good that time. You need to make sure it goes to the first block, and that it's centered in at the origin. Otherwise, it'll be a little bit off. And play around with that for a little bit, and once you have that the right size, you should be good to go, and that's all you really need to do for your backdrop.